Hey, welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited to actually welcome you back to the YouTube channel. So today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can actually add USDT to your balance by using this particular exchanging platform, which is called Airtm. So I'm going to actually enter my details. So as you can see, I actually have $38 in this my Airtm balance. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually convert this USDC to USDT. So ensure you actually follow me step by step on how to do it. It's very simple. So the first thing you have to do is to actually come to your Bybit. You can use other exchanger, like you can use, I think you can use Binance, you can use OKS to actually, you can use P2P method to actually fund your USDT. So I'm going to click on this P2P. So if you're actually using Bybit, you are not going to see P2P directly on this platform. So all you have to do is to click on this learn more, and you can actually find the option. So you can actually find a P2P from this option. So because I already added this as my favorite, that isn't why it's there automatically. So I'm going to go back and click on P2P over here. So it's going to filter all the payments that is available. As you can see, the reason why I'm actually using Bybit and not Binance is the fact that I'm from Nigeria, and P2P is actually allowed in Nigeria. We can use Naira to dollar, but on that platform like Binance, like OKS, like they have listed Naira to NGN. So you have to change the currency from NGN to a USD. So you are going to find USD over here, USD, then click on it. So as you can see, it's going to filter all the payments that we are going to make payments in US dollar. So the next thing you have to do to ensure that we don't make mistake with the payment is to actually, like you have to find this, you have to click on this all payment method to actually find the payment we want to use. So from the option, there are a lot of payment methods you can use. So the one we actually want to use is Airtm. So that's the one we have money inside. So I'm going to actually click on it, then click on confirm to filter all the payment that people actually want to sell their Airtm for cash. So as you can see, like the payment method is Airtm, the payment method is Airtm. So we can actually use this method to actually fund our account. So as you can see, I'm actually filtered. The next thing you have to do is to ensure that it is within our range. Like I actually want to sell 38, like I will actually sell like 20, or like let me sell like 28, so that we leave $10 inside this account, because I actually use airtime for maybe all these micro workers. So I'm going to leave I'm going to sell 28. So let me go back and actually show you how you can do that. So as you can see, this particular one, I'm unable to actually trade with this person. So let me find another person that can trade with. So if you check this crypto bio, so this particular username, it has done like 55 trades, and it has over 100% completion rate. So I believe trading with this person is not bad, and the range is 1.01 dollar. So as you can see, the quality the person have is over 1000 USDT. So I can actually buy. So and the trade limit is $25 to 1000 US dollar. So let's click on buy. Then I'm going to actually enter the amount I want to buy. I want to sell rather. So I actually want to sell 28 and leave $10 inside the account. So all I have to do is to click on buy now, and the order is going to be placed automatically. So as you can see, the order has been placed. So all we have to do to actually make sure we complete this trade is to click on pay over here. So click on pay. So this is the email that I have to pay into. So I'm going to copy the email, then come over to my ATM balance. So I'm going to come over to it. Then you are going to click on this send and request. So click on send. Then you are going to enter the email we copy from Bybit. So I'm going to actually paste the email over here. Then click on next. So I'm going to enter the amount I actually want to sell. So I actually want to sell $28. So I'm going to go back there, actually enter $28 from my balance. So I'm going to enter 28. So as you can see, we are good to go. The next thing we have to do to ensure we actually sell $20 out of the $30 we have in our balance is to click on next. So as you can see, like it has fetched the name. So this is the email we actually want to send to, And the fee, if you are sending from one user to another user, it's 0 fee. So we're actually paying the total fee of $28. We are not adding any fee to it. So all I have to do is to click on send over here. So I can actually add some like description. So it's not really required, but I'm just going to add it, then click on send. So it's going to ask me for verification before I can be able to send money out of this account. So I'm going to actually like drag it to the puzzle to actually confirm the puzzle. Click on leave, and then it's going to give you success message. The next thing is to confirm. So as you can see, we successfully sent the money directly to the person. So the next thing you have to do now, since we have sent the fund, is to go back to Bybit, then click on complete the payment. So I'm going to actually agree to terms and conditions that I've actually sent the money, then click on confirm. So we are going to wait for maybe 15 to 20 minutes for the buyer to actually ensure they receive the money and complete our trade. So like doing P2P with Airtm is very, very simple and very, very straightforward. So all you have to do is just to follow this tutorial that I'm showing you. Is very, very simple. So let me pause this video and wait for the buyer to actually release our coin.
A few moments later.
So welcome back, guys. As you can see, the payment has been completed, and let me go back to actually show you that the order has been completed successfully. So as you can see, my balance has increased to 1,154 USDT. So let me go to P2P again to actually show you that the order has been completed. I'm going to go to orders, the order I've done. So these are the active order. I'm going to click on all to show you. So as you can see, I've successfully completed this particular deal, which is I sent 28 airtime. I actually got 27 USDT, 27.7 USDT. So, and it has been added to my balance. So you doing P2P to actually fund your account is very simple and very straightforward. So we actually encourage you to subscribe, because this is what I actually do basically on this YouTube channel. I teach you crypto related content. So ensure you subscribe so that we'll be able to see some of the latest updates about crypto on this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Ensure you watch this next video about the latest crypto airdrop, Hamster Combat. I will see you in my next video. Bye.